Hi, it's Tim Sattler here at Bank Chevrolet, and today I want to show you some of the great features of this Chevrolet Traverse. The Traverse is a large crossover SUV featuring all-wheel drive and 3 rows of seating. Available in 7 and 8 passenger models and up to 6 different trim levels to meet a wide variety of customer needs. So I'm sitting inside this Traverse. This is the Premier model, which is filled with luxury features from heated steering wheel to heated and ventilated seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and one feature I really like is the hidden storage behind the radio. Nice little pocket where I can tuck a few small items in there and keep them out of sight, but nearby if I need to grab them. Here in the second row, in the Premier, we have bucket seats. In some models, you can get an optional bench seat, which would allow you to have 8 passenger seating. And as it's a Premier, the second row seats are heated. Controls are located conveniently right here for the second row passengers for both the HVAC and those heated seats. There's additional power outlets for USB ports, and this vehicle has a 110 volt outlet. One of the things I like in this vehicle is the separated dual sunroofs. Allows for a lot of light back in the back seat and even into the third row area. So one of the features I like in the Traverse here in the second row is the seating. This seat allows for me to have a booster seat or a child seat that I might want to leave permanently in the car, and still allows access to the rear without removal. So the lever on the side of the seat tips and slides forward, allowing access to the third row, and all possible with that booster seat or car seat still attached here in the middle row. So here we are at the tailgate, and one of the great features I like about the Traverse is the hands-free liftgate. So you might be able to see on the ground here the little Chevrolet logo that's lit up. That came on as I walked near the vehicle with the keys in my pocket. And if I kick right there, the tailgate opens. So if I have my hands full, I don't need to reach for the key fob or press the button on the back of the tailgate.